International Day of Women and Girls in Science, focusing on the theme 2025, Unpacking STEM Careers. Her voice in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. My name is Mercy Ayomide Falorunsho. Thank you. STEM careers aspiration. 71% of girls in middle school express interest in STEM careers, but this interest often declined by high schools. My name is Faith Olusui. Thank you. Role models inspire. Women in STEM careers can inspire girls to pursue similar paths, highlighting the importance of representation. Thank you. My name is Gabriella Wanye from Excel Universal School. Diversity drives innovation. Teams with diverse perspectives, including women voices, are more innovative and productive. My name is Peklia Orche from Excel Universal College. Thank you. STEM education. Girls' participation in STEM education is crucial for developing diverse and inclusive STEM workforce. My name is Mariam Abdulajib from Excel Universal School. Thank you.